Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can use a delete on the MongoDB using a EJS template. So this is the so far what we built. If you guys check my previous video of a part 4, then you guys know that I have already created the routes. Inside the route, I have created the get route. So basically, it's getting the route of it's going to get route here. It's going to get the data from the database from the MongoDB, and it's going to render it in the EJS template. So we are using a EJS template, right? And EJS template basically, this is the standard for standard HTML, and we could only able to do the form, the get or a post request. And that's all. This is not like the API where we can able to do a like a delete. We could able to also do like a put or a patch. The method for the for the route because we are using a standard form here, right? And a standard form only able to do the post and the get. So when we do a delete or update, we need to send with the post, but there are a variety of ways that we could able to handle it. The one way is to use a different route. If we go in different route and we do a post, then we do some kind of delete or we do some kind of update, right? That's one way to handle it. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a button here. Okay. Sorry, the form, another form here. So every time when we call the server, we need to create a form because we're using a standard form way here, not a dynamic the front-end applications where we could able to call the APIs because we're not building any APIs here. So in a form, so basically what we I'm going to do now, the action is where it's supposed to go, right? So it's going to a customer. It's going to customer and it's doing the post, right? So if I go in a route here, so this is the customer and the post is right here. So basically it's going to add a data. It's going to create a data and show all the data in the screen. That's what it's doing it right here. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create another here, the post here, and here I will create as a delete here. Okay, so in a delete maybe I can pass the ID, right? I can pass the ID, so I can that they can provide the ID they want to delete, or they can delete all. Let me do delete all. I think I will just do delete all. So I just want to delete all my record. Then I'll do a post here. So basically it's going to the delete all route here. So when we do a delete all, then what we need to do is I need to call the functions of the delete. So basically the customer, it's basically a model. It is basically a Mongo schema, that is a model that has a Mongo schema. It's coming here. So I can use this the customer here, and I could able to delete it here. So there's only one function called delete many, and delete many will delete everything. So when this is success, right, I'll just do await here. So when this is success, then it just try to uh, send the customer index, basically the main page, and it's just trying to send the data, or it just clear up the data, or maybe you know what, I'll just print it out this data here. Okay, it just find this data and it's just trying to loop this data and show it up here. That's what is supposed will do it. So now here in the form dot action, basically in the customer here, I just need to post something called customer slash delete all. Okay, and the method is going to be a post here, and basically we don't need anything on this form. We just need to call this the action, basically the route, and yeah, we just need a button here. Okay, submit button, that's all. And instead of value here submit, I'll just say delete all. So I'll just save it. So now let's see what happened here. If I refresh, then yeah, here it is. So if I click a delete, then it will delete all my data from the database. So now it goes to the delete here as well. So if I refresh, it goes to delete as well. So now if I go here and if I post it, it's going to post in database. And if I delete all, then it's going to delete all my record from database. So that's what it does. Okay. So that's a simple way that we could able to implement a delete on EJS template on the node.js using the Mongoose, of course. And thank you very much for watching, guys. That's all for this video, and I hope you guys like it. And please do subscribe my channels. I'm going to put a more programming trick tips on this channel. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye for now.